Hey, hello guys. So this is my next video lecture on Java programming. It is again on abstraction in Java only. Okay. Actually, an abstract class can also have a constructor, methods, and a data member. That you should remember. Okay. And if there is an abstract method in a class, listen it carefully. If there is an abstract method in a class, that class must be abstract, else you will get compile time error. Okay. And while inheriting an abstract class that has an abstract method in it, either the implementation details of that abstract method be provided, or the class should be made abstract. Okay, you need to pause the video and listen it very carefully. Okay, last thing is um, uh, so uh, within an interface, if we have several, what exactly is interface we will be learning soon, but if within an interface there are many methods which whose implementation is obviously not there since it is an interface. Okay, so using an abstract class you can implement that interface, as well as you can provide implementation details of the functions within the interface. Okay, say for example, uh, we have a say for example we have an interface called animal. Okay, and it has two functions. One is void eat and another one is void run. Okay, so, and we have an abstract class that is a cat. Okay, so what we do is we write abstract class cat space implements animal. Okay, now we provide implementation details for the method that is void eat. So we write public void eat and we print it out as eating. Okay, uh, now what we do, we have another class which is not abstract, whose name is kitten. It extends cat class. Okay, and within it we provide implementation details for the method run, that is public void run, in which we write crawling, print out crawling. Okay, now what we do upcasting again, and we write animal space a equals to new space kitten, and we try to invoke the functions eat and run with the help of the reference variable of the parent class, that is a, in this case that is a dot eat and a dot run. You will see that it will run finally, that is it will print out first, eat will print out eating flesh, and run will print out crawling. Okay, so yeah. Okay, mm, um, I haven't taught you interface yet. I will be teaching you same in the next class. Okay, so yeah, thank you.